Welcome to the Agent Knowledge section in ActoSync. Agent Knowledge allows you to train your AI agents using FAQs, business documents, and company information so the agent can provide accurate and intelligent responses to your customers. For effective training, your knowledge content should include comprehensive informational questions and answers related to your business, products, services, policies, and customer support requirements. To begin, select the agent you want to train. Next, enter a reference ID for the knowledge content. This helps you organize and identify your uploaded training materials. After that, select the PDF document containing your business knowledge, FAQs, or informational content. Once your file is selected, click the Upload and Training button. ActoSync will automatically upload the document and queue the knowledge for AI training. The system will process the content and associate it with the selected agent for future customer conversations and intelligent responses. After training is completed, your AI agent will be able to use this knowledge to answer customer questions more accurately and efficiently. With Agent Knowledge, ActoSync helps you create smarter AI agents trained specifically for your business operations and customer